Okay, students. So in previous we discussed the solid state chemistry. So on that solid state chemistry, already we have to know the what is the mean by the solid materials and what is the main difference between the solid materials and gases and liquids. So previously already we have to know the mainly the matter is exist in three types. Based on the intermolecular distance in between the atoms or ions, the matter can be classified into solids, gases and liquids. So here the nearly the intermolecular distance between the atoms is close to each other. Due to that, the solid material will have the definite shape and definite volume, similarly definite geometry. So already we have to know the in previous classes. And also we studied about the crystalline solids and amorphous solids and the types of the crystalline solids. And now we are going to explain the coordination number. So what is the mean by the coordination number in this class? Simple meaning. Coordination number means it is the nearest neighboring atoms or ions. That is called as a coordination number. So for example, already we have to know the in normal covalent compounds, the carbon will form the 4 bonds with another carbon atom. So for example, in the diamond structure, this carbon is bonded with the another carbon atom, bonded with the another carbon, bonded with the another carbon, bonded with the another carbon. So here this carbon atom, this central carbon atom, nearest atoms, nearest carbon atoms. How many nearest carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many nearest carbon atoms? 4 nearest carbon atoms. So coordination number means nearest neighboring atom or ions. What is that? Nearest neighboring atoms or ions, that is called as a coordination number. For example, for the coordination number of carbon in diamond, how much? It is equals to the 4. So coordination number of carbon in diamond is 4. So this is the meaning about the coordination number. Coordination number means how we can define nearest neighboring atoms or ions is called as a coordination number. Example, coordination number of carbon in diamond 4. Similarly, coordination number of sodium atom in sodium chloride is also 6. Similarly, the coordination number of chlorine in sodium chloride is 6. Means each sodium atom is touches to the 6 chlorine atoms. Similarly, each chlorine atom is touches to the 6 sodium atoms. So that is the meaning of the coordination number. Then cesium chloride. Example, cesium chloride. The coordination number of cesium in cesium chloride is 8. Similarly, the coordination number of chlorine in cesium chloride is also 8. So this is the meaning about the coordination number. Coordination number means nothing but nearest neighboring atoms or ions, that is called as a coordination number. So this is the meaning about the coordination number. Next we move to the radius ratio. Simple, radius ratio. It is indicated with the letter rho. How we can define the radius ratio? Simple meaning, ratio of radius. Simple. Radius of smaller ion to that of larger ion, that is called as a radius ratio. How it can be defined? Radius of the smaller ion to that of the larger ion is called as a radius ratio. So radius ratio rho is equals to radius of example cation and radius of anion. So this ratio is called as a radius ratio. Radius ratio means the radius of smaller ion to larger ion ratio, that is called as a radius ratio. Example, cation radius, anion radius ratio. that is called as a radius ratio. By using this radius ratio, we should identify the geometry and coordination number of the solid materials. What is that? By using the radius ratio, this radius ratio value, we have to know the coordination number of solid materials and their geometry also. How we can predict it? That can be explained in small tabular form. So in this tabular form, one column is the radius ratio and another column is the geometry of that solid material, and in the another column is the coordination number. What is that, students? Coordination number. So for example, if the radius ratio up to 0.15, what is that? The radius ratio is up to 0.15, then the solid material geometry is the linear geometry and its coordination number is the 2. What is that? Here we should find out the geometry of solid material based on the radius ratio value. If the radius ratio is up to 0.15, then the geometry is the linear geometry. Then its coordination number is how much? 2. For example, if the radius ratio is in between 0.15 to 0.22, then the geometry is the trigonal planar. What is that geometry? Trigonal planar. Then its coordination number is 3. Coordination number is 3. If the radius ratio 0.41 to 0.73, 0.41 to 0.73, in between this value, if the radius ratio is present, then the geometry is the octahedral. Its coordination number is 6. So if the radius ratio is 0.73 to 0.99, then the geometry is the cubic, then its coordination number is 8. So this is the use of the radius ratio. By using the radius ratio, we should predict the geometry of the solid material and coordination number of the solid material. So then we move to the close packing in the solids. So close packing in the solids. Simple meaning. Close packing in the solids mean in the solids, the repeated units are the atoms or ions. So in the solids, the repeated units are the atoms or ions. How they can arrange it? In solids, the atoms or ions, how they can arrange it? Simply that is called as a close packing. What is that? Close packing. Atom, atom or ion, ion. How they can arrange it in a solids? Simply that is considered as a close packing. So our topic is the close packing in solids. So the close packing in solids, for example, if they are arranged in the one dimensional, so one dimensional means, for example, this is the atom and this is the another atom, then this is the another atom and this is the another atom. So these are the close packing of atoms. Here atoms is considered as a spheres. For easily understanding for this close packing, here we should assume the atoms as a sphere. So in one dimensional, only one dimensional, the close packing in a solid is this way. So this is the meaning of the close packing. So in one dimensional. So when we compare this one dimensional, here this atom, we are considered that atom. How many atoms are touches to this atom means 1, 2. Only these two atoms are touches to that atom. So the coordination number of this atom is how much? 2. Coordination number means nearest neighboring atoms or ions is called as a coordination number. For example, in solids, the atoms are present in one dimensional. The atoms are present in one dimensional. They are look like a visible as a this model. So when they are arranged in one dimensional, the coordination number of atom is 2. So this is the close packing of solids when they are arranged in the one dimensional. For example, when they are arranged in the two dimensional. So in solid state chemistry, we studied about the two dimensional and three dimensional close packing. For easily understanding of two dimensional, let us consider as a one example, that is the one dimensional arrangement. So when they are arranged in the two dimensional, for example, two dimensional means there is the two direction. For example, x axis, y axis. Let easily understanding one direction, another direction. This is the two dimensional arrangement. Two dimensional close packing in a solids. Close packing in a solids. Here we consider two dimensional close packing. For example, this is one atom. They can arrange it in a two dimensional. They can arrange it in a two dimensional. They can arrange it in a two dimensional. For example, here we are consider this central atom, this atom. Here we consider this atom. So how many atoms are touches to this atom means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is can appearing as a square model. Okay, clear students? Here we consider this circle atom. How many atoms are touches to this atom? Only 1, this one 2, this one 2, 3, this one 4. So when we are draw the one diagram, it is appearing as a square. Due to that, this packing is called as a square close packing. What is that? For two dimensional, this arrangement, this close packing name is given as a square close packing. Clear students? Why it is called as a square close packing means it is appearing as a square. So it is called as a square close packing. And it is also called as a type of arrangement of the atoms. A type of arrangement means, let us, these atoms arrangement is the A. And this atom is the same. So same arrangement is also present, means A. This row is also same arrangement. This row is also same arrangement. So this is called as a type of arrangement. So for two dimensional close packing in a solids, the close packing name is given as a square close packing, and it is also arrangement. Which type of arrangement? All rows are same type of arrangement. For example, here we are consider first row is the A type of arrangement. Similarly, second row is also same type of arrangement. So it is also A type. Third row is also same. Fourth row is also same. Fifth row is also same. Sixth row is also same. Means all rows arrangement is the same A type of arrangement. So it is considered as a type of arrangement. And this close packing name is square close packing. Clear? And when the atoms are arranged in the square close packing in two dimensional, student, the atoms are in a solid, they can arrange it in square close packing like this model, square close packing arrangement. Then the packing efficiency is 52.4%. Packing efficiency is the 52.4%. Packing efficiency means, clearly observe, when they are arranged in this square close packing, here some vacant space will be arising. Clear students? Some vacant space will be arising. So the crystal lattice is considered as a 100%. The atoms is occupy only how much volume? 52.4%. Okay, clear? When in two-dimensional, the solids is arranged in a square closed packing, how much they can be occupy the volume? 52.4%. So simply that is called as a packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. So this is the meaning about the packing efficiency. So in two-dimensional, the square closed packing arrangement of atoms in a solids, the packing efficiency is how much? 52.4%. Then the coordination number of atom is the 6. So this is the closed packing for a two-dimensional. Here we take example, square closed packing arrangement. Square closed packing arrangement in a two-dimensional.